In this video, I'm going to walk you through a powerful 5-step system that starts with posting just 2 shorts a day and ends with a channel that attracts subscribers and racks up watch time. Because let's be real, trying to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours can be like climbing a mountain with no map. You post a video, then you wait, then you hear crickets. Doesn't make any sense, right? Because I've been there. I did everything except the right thing until I discovered the 5 simple strategies that helped me grow my channel without no gimmicks, without sub for sub, and without guessing. This is the same method I call the My Time method, because your time matters. Let's start with how to unlock YouTube Live and get you 50 subscribers in just 7 days. Let's get into it. To go live on YouTube, you need 50 subscribers before you can go live. That's how you unlock the live section on YouTube. So how do you get the 50 subscribers? I call it the My Time method. You post 2 shorts a day for 7 days straight. You'll get way more than 50 subscribers. How do you do it? You're not just posting, you're posting with intention. You're posting with intentionality and consistency. So here's what you have to do to get those 50 subscribers fast. You post 2 shorts a day, 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon. When you post those shorts, don't have it no more than 90 seconds. I prefer you do it for 30 seconds. Post it no more than 90 seconds. And when you post that video, I want you to be intentional. I want you to tell a story. I want you to add value to those people who watch, because you're getting their attention for 30 or 90 seconds. So you got to be intentional. You got to add value. Not just add value. You can follow some type of trend that's going on. And when you do that, I want you to connect a trending song or a trending sound. A trending song or a trending sound. You connect it to that video. And when people watch the video, you're going to get people to subscribe. Because one thing I realized in this content creator journey, you get subscribers from posting shorts. So when you post a short, 1 in the morning, 1 at night, you can grow your subscriber count. You only need 50. And once you get 50, you can go live. You don't got to worry about perfection. Just be consistent and post 1 in the morning, 1 at night. No more than 90 seconds, preferably 30 seconds, and put a trending song to it or a trending sound to it, and add value, and you can get those 50 subscribers in those 7 days. You posted your shorts, but the secret isn't about what you post. It's about who you show up for. So let me show you how to grow faster by giving. Growth on YouTube is more than just uploading. It's about relationships. The more you give, the more you receive. So that's why I'm telling you, once you go on other people's lives, they can recognize who you are and what value you have to give. Let me explain. When you go on somebody else's live, this is how you can grow that 1,000 subscriber count and the 4,000 watch out. You might say, how do I do that? The My Time Etiquette 101. Whenever you go on somebody else's live, you start leaving genuine comments. But the first thing you do when you go into the live, you greet the person who's doing that live. Hey, how you doing? Whoever's doing the live. Then you say, hello, everybody that's in the live. Once you do that, they recognize that you're not a troll. They recognize that you're not somebody that's causing any havoc in that live. And once somebody responds to you, you respond back to them by name. Hey, how you doing, so-and-so? Hey, how you doing, so-and-so? The person that's doing a live, how you doing? And once you do that, they recognize they're not causing no trouble. Let me see who they are. And the more you go to that person live, the more they recognize that you're friendly. And since they recognize that you're friendly, the benefit of doing that, they're going to go to your channel. They're going to watch one of your videos. They're going to say, I like that video. They're going to say they won't like that video. But if they like that video, they're going to like that video. Boom. They press the button. They look at another video. They like that video. They might even subscribe to your channel. You got 1 subscriber. You got 2 people watching, or 2 videos that people watch. What does that add up to? Watch time and subscribe. But imagine if you go to somebody's live that got hundreds of people on there. You could get hundreds of people watching your videos. Hundreds of people subscribe to your channel. It's not sub for sub. This is the My Time Etiquette. Once you become friendly, you're going to get friendly people coming to your channel because you're building genuine conversation and genuine friendship while going to somebody's live, because you're supporting creators that rock with you. You're supporting creators is in the same mindset that you have, because people start noticing you. Because once you go on that live, they're going to say, hey, didn't I see you on that other person's live? Hey, how you doing? They're going to check out your channel. Trust me on this. You're in a community that can support you growing your channel and growing your watch hours. Because now that you're showing up for others, it's time for you to flip the script and have them show up for you. Because here's how to go live and multiply your watch time instantly. Going live is a watch time accelerator. Because most beginners ignore this. Most beginners saying, I'm not going live. I'm scared to go live. They might not like the way I look. They might not like the way I sound. I'm not going live. That's the watch time accelerator. Once you hit those 50 subscribers, I want you to go live. Go live instantly. Go live regular. I want you to go live. Why? Because when you go live, you can 10x your watch time. Let me explain. Every time you go live, somebody comes into your live, you will get a minimum of 30 seconds in that live. 30 seconds. So if you go live for an hour and somebody stay with you for an hour, you get an hour watch time. But let me tell you how to 10x it. You get 10 people coming in your live and you're doing a live for an hour. You get 10 hours of live watch time, 10 hours of watch time. But somebody come in, they come in, stay for 10 minutes, and then they leave, you get 10 minutes of watch time. Everybody who comes in, they are donating or depositing watch time into your watch hour calculation. So once that happens, here's how you 10x it. You go live for a minimum of 2 hours. If you can't do 2 hours, you go an hour. But if you go live for 2 hours, that'll get enough people to come in, hear what you got to say. They might stay, they might leave. But as soon as they come in, they're donating watch time. And the more people come in, the more watch time that you will accumulate. I did a live a couple of weeks ago. I did a 2-hour live. I got 23.6 watch hours, 2 hours of work. And I don't call it work because I love doing live now. When I first started, I didn't like doing live, but I started doing lives and the watch time started racking up. I didn't even know how to read the watch time hours. And I was looking at it, I was like, what does 23 hours mean? Oh, that's how many hours that accumulated? Oh, shoot, that's a good thing. And I realized I could 10x my watch time. I could 10x it. Wow, look at that. What did I do? I engaged with them. I engaged with the community that was on the watch live. I was engaged with them. I was asking them questions. I was speaking to them. I was being courteous. I was asking questions. They was asking me questions. I was engaging with them. I was empowering them. I was teaching them these aspects that I'm teaching you. That's what you do to 10x your watch time. And not only 10x your watch time, you can 10x their lives. Because lives are powerful. Even with a small audience, the lives can add up and gives you minutes that really matter. Because lives are powerful. But what if you could build a library of content that works while you sleep? Let me show you how to create a long form content that grows your channel like clock. Long form equals longer engagement equals loyal subscribers. Because once you start creating long form videos, that's where your watch time can generate while you sleep. And that's a strategy that once you realize, no matter how many people watch your videos when you first release it, those videos are on autopilot. As long as you add in value, long as you add in something that people are searching for and something that people will start watching, those watch hours will add up. And not only watch hours, people will subscribe to your channel. Because that's what I'm telling you. Make long form videos. Even if you don't know what your niche is, even if you're not sure what your niche is, make those videos. Talk about what you want to talk about, number one. Then talk about what you have to talk about, number two. Let me explain. Talk about what you want to talk about. What's in your heart that you want to share? What you want to give to the world that you say that you have something to offer. What do you want to give? Talk about that. Then talk about what you have to talk about. What you have to talk about. What the world want to hear. They want to hear about sports. They want to hear about the economy. They want to hear about politics. They want to hear about all these different things. Pick one. When you pick one, you can talk about that, put it out there. People will scroll past it, fine, boom, boom, boom. They hear what you're talking about. But if you're talking about the things you want to talk about, people are going to resonate with you because you have people that's assigned to you. Since people are assigned to you, build those long form videos. They're on autopilot. They're going to give you the watch hours. They're going to give you the subscribers because people are going to rock with you because they feel you more than they see you. Now imagine your long form videos in a bingeable series that keep viewers watching one after the other. This next strategy is a game changer for skyrocketing your watch time. Just don't post. Organize your content to encourage binge watching. Yeah, binge watching. Arrange your content that you've formed already, the long form videos, even the short form videos, but the long form videos in particular, organize them so that when people watch the first one, they can watch the second one, the third one, the fourth one. How do they do that? 8 video series. Create a series that build upon each other. Number one. Number two, group them together in a YouTube playlist. When you put them in a playlist, everybody will say, oh man, he got all these videos about how to organize a YouTube channel or how to grow your YouTube channel. You got 10 videos in there. Let me watch all 10. Those 10 videos can give you maybe an hour and a half of watch time if they watch all 10. You might have a playlist of 15 videos that's 2 hours, 2 hours of watch time if everybody watched those videos. You got a playlist. That's what people want. This is like a Netflix channel that you're building. When you use the end screens on the end of the long form videos, that's showing you, okay, these are the videos that connected to these videos, or these are videos that you can watch next. If people watch the end of your videos, they're going to click on those videos and watch those videos. They're going to watch those videos because the playlist increased the session duration. What does that mean? That's increasing your watch time. The longer the people stay on your channel, the longer and more watch time that accumulates. And by doing that, YouTube loves you. Algorithm will love you. The algorithm say, oh, they got them on their channel for a whole hour. We're going to keep posting them some more videos or pushing them some more videos. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Come on, keep on making those playlists. That's the algorithm talking to you, because the algorithm is your friend. And since the algorithm is your friend, you can be friends with the algorithm because you're making those playlists, those long form videos you created, because you know these 5 strategies is going to help you grow your channel as you grow your life. Now you got the blueprint: shorts to subs, etiquette to engagement, lives to loyalty, and long form to growth, and playlist to power. Your YouTube content creator journey is not going to be in vain. It's not going to have a guessing game like when I first started. You're going to start today and you're going to start strong. And now you're only going to start strong, you're going to finish strong, because you're going to build your way to those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in no time. Like this video if it helped. Comment time if you're committed to the journey, and subscribe for no more fluff strategies for creators like